Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick Canva guide, I'll show you how to flip text in Canva. Whether you want a mirror effect or you just need the text reversed for a design. It's super simple, so let's jump in. So first, go ahead and open the design where you want to flip your text, or yeah, you can start a fresh one. Either works. Now, click on the text you want to flip. Just make sure the text box is active. I mean, you should see the handles around it. Next, look at the top toolbar and find the flip option. It's usually on the right side. If you don't see it right away, maybe resize the window a bit. Canva sometimes hides things. When you click flip, you'll get two choices: flip horizontal or flip vertical. Horizontal mirrors your text from left to right, and vertical flips it upside down. Just pick whichever effect you need. After flipping, your text might shift a little, so just drag it back into place. You can nudge it with your arrow keys if you want that clean alignment. Yeah. And here's a small tip. If you're making a mirror effect, like for mock-ups or creative layouts, you can duplicate your text first and then flip only the copy. That gives you that nice reflected look. And that's pretty much it. Flipping text in Canva only takes a few seconds, so yeah, feel free to play around with both options and keep creating. If you want, I can also make